Okay, tapos na po yung sa household namin. Now, let's go with our unit. Let's start with Villanueva Coco.
Yay!
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Ang advice ko lang po, yung kanina nabuntis ako. Okay. Hindi madali. Anyway, I always anchor into a model of mine, which is my mother.
Hindi ako.
Yung sa mother ko kasi, medyo si Papa kasi nag-work tapos siya lang. So yung youngest nga namin, nung nag-broke yung water niya, nag-map siya muna saka pumunta kami sa So, dun ko na-prove na ang katawan talaga ng isang babae is built sa yung kaya nila ipahan. And I saw the strength also in you. And yun lang, brother, sa mga panahon na especially during the first weeks, second week, hati talaga kayo sa pag-share, especially. And most especially, we are here as a community. Rest assured, you will always be in our prayers. Kahit anong oras kung kailangan, tawagan nyo lang si Sis. Sis, of course. Okay. So, yun lang po. God bless. Congratulations.
Yun yung sabi ko, sis, you've gained another ate in this community. And yun, pledge namin yun sa inyo. So, the fear is there, we know, but you have to know also na kayo din yung strength of your own ngayon na fear. So, lalo na ikaw, sis, no one can be stronger than you are sa time ng delivery mo. Ikaw lang din. And a lot of us are excited, for sure, sa mga family nyo din. I-look forward nyo yung kaba ngayon is, ang price din after is grabing happiness. So yun lang, we assure you, andito kami, marami kami talaga. We are your family.